guys, if you want to know how to make these delicious hot cross buns, keep watching this video. First, we're going to add half a pack of yeast, then 3/4 cup of warm milk. Next, you're going to add a tablespoon of sugar for the yeast to eat, and then stir that all together. Once it looks like this, add 2 tablespoons of butter and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. A few dashes of salt, 1 egg, then just a dash of vanilla extract, and about a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then grind up some nutmeg. If you have ground nutmeg, then just add about a teaspoon, and then add half a cup of flour. Mix that all together. Your butter should be room temperature and dissolve a lot quicker than mine. Once it looks like this, add another half a cup of flour. Mix that all together, and then add another half cup of flour. Now your dough should start coming together. Try and get it in the shape of a ball. And then take it out of the bowl onto a floured surface and knead it. Sprinkle some more flour if you have to. It is a very sticky dough. And then try and knead it back into a ball. Once you have your ball, you're gonna add some oil to a bowl and grease the surface of it, and then put the dough inside and roll it around until it's covered in oil. And then add some saran wrap to cover it. And then that is gonna have to sit for at least 2 hours so it can rise. After that 2 hours is up and you're ready to cut your dough, grease a pan with some oil or butter. And then we'll keep that to the side. Put some flour on your surface. And this is where you're gonna lay out your dough. Be extra gentle during this step so you don't knock all the air out of it. And now you can cut your dough into however many pieces you'd like, depending on the size you want. We want to get 6 nice medium-sized buns. Once you've cut your pieces, now you want to shape them into balls. Once you have them all in the pan, cover them with saran wrap and let them sit and rise in a warm, dark room for 1 hour. After they've risen, it's time to bake them for 20 to 25 minutes in 350 degrees. Once the tops are nice and brown and they're finished baking, we're going to coat them with simple syrup to give them a nice shiny finish and the sticky feeling. While that cools, we're going to make the icing. Add about a cup of powdered sugar, a dash of vanilla extract, and the juice of half an orange. Now mix this together, and you can add more powdered sugar until you get to the consistency you'd like your icing to be. The thicker your icing is, the more control you'll have over it when piping. Now you can add some zest from that same orange. This adds a lot of flavor, a really nice texture, and a beautiful color to your buns. Now pipe it in a bag. We don't have any piping bags, so we're just going to use a Ziploc bag and clip it at the end with some scissors. And now we are going to coat our buns. I'm going to draw a cross because these are hot cross buns. If you have a lot of leftover icing and a major sweet tooth like myself, just go ahead and dump the rest of that frosting in there. I hope you guys get the chance to make these yourselves. These can be eaten during Easter dinner or whenever you feel like, really. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more recipes, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!